8.8 earthquake hit the central coast of our country.
Approximately 20 minutes later, the first 10-meter tsunami wave hit our city.
More than 170 people died that night.
We know little about this rare phenomenon, but now we have learned.
As a city, we are prepared.
As a family, we are prepared. We know what to do, what to have in our houses, and where to go in case of emergency.
The school is located in a security zone. We are prepared.
Our school plan is:
if you feel a violent earthquake, protect yourself with these basic rules.
Bend down, cover yourself, and plant firmly until the earthquake ends.
Evaluate if the earthquake broke some walls or if you could not stand on your feet. In any of these cases, there is a high chance a tsunami will occur.
Evacuate immediately. Do not wait to receive an alert.
Earthquakes are a natural alert of a tsunami in the coastal area.
Do not run and go to the security zone.
Our reason to participate on this summit is that we believe we are living testimony of the seven. Our city suffered a lot, but now we have learned.
We did learn from this experience. Now we are informed and we want to share our knowledge with the world in order to save more lives in the future.
Thank you.